If you have any questions, you've got a lawyer. He can help you out. If there are any issues that arise in the future, you can always come back here. We have an open door policy, so we're always here for you, whatever you may need. Don't take matters into your own hands and just be good. That's it. We'll have conditions for you to sign after you're done with that. Then you're on your way.
Thinking appearances are wait for.
Correct.
Okay,
So because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. You don't have to waste your time coming to court here, but you must stay in touch with counsel and he will tell you when you have to come back to court.
Sure.
If he tells me that you've gone AWOL and he can't get a hold of you, you're not answering phone calls or text messages, that's when we revoke bonds. You pick up a new case, I'm going to revoke the bond. Okay? All right, guys. All right. So they're going to have it filed, let you sign it, and then you're on your way. Okay. Of course. Thanks.
So Judge, there was misunderstanding on the case. So on his older cases, his appearance was waived. He wasn't required to come to court. It's when they did the new 2B on the new case, which I believe is beer and a bag of candy. And so that's when I tried to contact him to get him to come in. Couldn't get in contact with him. Then he had to schedule a court date for the old cases, and that's when the court revoked his bond based on those old cases. He said he received a letter, so he came in today to address the letter, obviously, and that's why he's here today.
So let's do probable cause on your newest case, because I don't know anything about it. Mr. Lestrap, you've now picked up a third theft case. You're now stand charged with another Class B misdemeanor. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir.
Yes, Judge. The officer was dispatched to a Walgreens in Harris County, Texas, and the complainant, the manager of the Walgreens, told officers that the defendant entered the store and proceeded to take several items, including a case of beer and a large pack of candy, and walked past all points of sale without paying. The complainant told the officers that most of the employees knew the defendant by name and sight.
Where is the trespass and the theft, the prior trespass and the prior theft? Can you tell me where those are?
They are also at a Walgreens. Let me see if it's the same location. It's the same location.
I told you when you first came here not to go back to the Walgreens. Not once, but twice. What should I do now, Mr. Lestrade? What should I do? You tell me.
Judge, just for the court's knowledge, my client is homeless. He doesn't have a place to stay, no employment, has some assistance from his mom, but obviously that's not a whole lot. That's the number.
That mom over there?
I'm not sure.
No, it's not. She at home.
Did you come with mom today?
No, sir. She at home.
I don't know what to tell you, but here in court, we have resources, right? If you want resources, we're happy to give it to you. We had a kid in here yesterday, giving him resources to get a phone and a tablet. If you want a place to stay, we can find you a place to stay. If you want something to eat, we can get you something to eat. But how on earth can I continue to let you go when, number one, you don't come to court? Number two, you continue to go to the place we tell you not to go. Number three, you continue to pick up cases when we tell you not to over a damn case of beer and a large pack of candy. Mr. Lestrade, they know you at that Walgreens. Every single time you go back to that Walgreens, you have about every single eye in the sky looking at you every 15 ways from Sunday, watching your every move.
Yes, sir.
Ray, I'm sorry. I'm not going to give another PR bump. You know, perhaps, I don't know, but you're not getting it.
Can we at least address the bond, though, Judge? Because I believe the bond's at
Absolutely happy to. I agree that they're high. And what do you think?
Judge, I'd be asking for 500 on each case.
Okay, done. But the revolving door closes today.
Yes, sir.
It goes with you. I'm with you, though.
Appreciate it.
For saving bonds, ultimate time.
I will. Good morning, gentlemen. You are Mr. Lowry. You must be Mr. Benson then. All right, gentlemen, both of you have picked up criminal cases, and it looks like you've worked out an agreement with the state and your defense lawyer. It looks like both of you, Mr. Benson, are charged with theft, and you're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. And Mr. Lowry, you were charged with criminal trespass as well. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. The agreement you have worked out, Mr. Benson, is 22 days in jail, credit for the 22 days so that you are done today. You need to understand that this is an enhanceable offense. If you continue to pick up theft cases, at some point, they're going to hit you with a felony. And instead of days, you will be looking at years. From now on, you are now facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. Do you understand? Mr. Lowry, you are with your criminal trespass, they've offered you 122 days in jail with credit for the 122 days that you've done. So likewise, you're also done with us today as well. It will go on your record. You can never take it off. And from now on, you're facing a minimum of 30 days in jail. Do you understand? Is this what both of you want to do? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, like I said, there's no turning back. It will go on your record. It'll stay there forever. How do you plead to the offense, Mr. Benson? I'm going to find you guilty. I will follow the agreement, send you to it. And Mr. Lowry? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? All right. I'm going to find you guilty as well. I'm going to, if any enhancements, just abandon it.
On the.
Oh, do we need to do it on the
Well, there's
theft?
one with the second conviction. on
Got it.
theft.
All right. So, Mr. Benson, you have a prior theft from 2019. Is this true?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This now makes two. A third, you're looking at a felony charge. No matter if it's a pack of gum, a big pack of candy, be careful. You could be facing some serious time next time. You understand? Okay, so true to the friends. We'll abandon the other one. All right, good luck, gentlemen. Thanks.
All right, gentlemen. Go ahead.
Oh, and Mr.